of a powerful engine, the sleek lines of a classic design, and the thrill of speed on an open road. In the late 1960s and early 1970s, American automotive history was shaped by icons of raw power and bold style, the AMC Javelin and its daring sibling, the AMX. These weren't just cars, they were embodiments of a cultural obsession with speed, innovation, and the pursuit of automotive excellence. These vehicles not only competed fiercely with the likes of Ford, GM, and Chrysler, but also left an enduring legacy in the hearts of enthusiasts and collectors worldwide. So, let's dive into the dynamic legacy of these legendary muscle cars, exploring their history, performance, design innovations, and enduring impact on enthusiasts worldwide. The rise of the AMC Javelin. The AMC Javelin hit the roads in 1968 and quickly won over fans of muscle cars. It had a tough look and strong engines that made it stand out. From 1968 to 1970, the Javelin SST model was especially popular. It combined powerful performance with a cool design that caught everyone's eye. With its bold lines and powerful engines, it was a favorite among those who loved speed and racing. The Javelin SST's appeal came not just from its power, but also from its cool style, featuring a long front, short back, and a tough stance that showed it meant business. This mix of strength and looks made the AMC Javelin SST a standout in its time, representing American car innovation and the thrill of driving fast. Even today, it's still loved by collectors and fans who admire its powerful engines, unique design, and place in muscle car history. The 1971 Javelin AMX, a fast car. One of the most famous versions of the AMC Javelin was the 1971 Javelin AMX. It stood out because it had a large 401 cubic inch V8 engine that could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.6 seconds. This made it one of the fastest cars of its time. People were impressed not only by its speed, but also by its unique appearance. The Javelin AMX had a distinct look that set it apart from other cars on the road. Its powerful engine and sleek design made it a favorite among fans of fast cars and those who appreciated its standout style. The 1971 Javelin AMX remains iconic for its blend of speed, power, and distinctive looks, leaving a lasting impression on automotive enthusiasts and collectors alike. Distinctive looks. The AMC Javelin wasn't just about speed. It also had a sleek design. It had a long front, a short back, and large wheel openings that made it look powerful and fast. These design elements weren't just for show. They actually helped the car perform better, especially in races like the Trans Am series. The long front and short back helped with aerodynamics, making the car more streamlined and reducing drag. The big wheel openings allowed for larger tires, which gave the Javelin better grip on the road during high-speed turns and accelerations. In the competitive world of racing, these design features gave the AMC Javelin an edge over its competitors. It wasn't just about having a strong engine, it was also about how well the car could handle and maneuver on the track. This combination of speed and handling made the Javelin a formidable contender in racing events, showcasing AMC's commitment to performance and innovation. Today, these design choices continue to be admired by car enthusiasts and collectors who appreciate the Javelin's blend of style and functionality on the road and on the racetrack. Exploring the AMC AMX, a different kind of muscle car. Alongside the AMC Javelin, there was another special car called the AMC AMX, made from 1968 to 1970. The AMX was different because it was smaller and had only 2 seats. It was designed to be fast and easy to control, which made it different from bigger muscle cars of the time. The AMC AMX, particularly with the Go package, offered impressive power and performance. This option, officially known as the Go package, was available for the AMX and included several enhancements to boost its performance capabilities. One of the standout features of the Go package was the engine options. The most notable engine choice was the 390 cubic inch V8 engine, which was a robust power plant for its time. The AMC AMX stood out because it offered a unique driving experience. With its compact size and powerful engines, it was agile and quick on the road. This made it popular among people who liked fast cars, but also wanted something smaller and sportier. The AMX wasn't just about speed, It was also about style and handling. Its two-seat design and powerful engines made it a favorite among car enthusiasts who appreciated its blend of performance and sleek design. Today, the AMC AMX is remembered for its role in pushing the boundaries of what a muscle car could be, offering a thrilling ride that combined power, agility, and distinctive styling. Bold design choices. The AMC AMX didn't just go fast, it looked cool too. It had bold stripes on the sides and bright colors like orange, green, and blue. These choices made it look different and showed that AMC liked trying new things with car design. Legacy and impact. Despite being smaller than industry giants like Ford and GM, AMC made a significant impact with the Javelin and AMX. These cars excelled in races, particularly in the competitive Trans Am series, proving their ability to compete with top-tier automobiles. Their success not only showcased AMC's engineering prowess, but also symbolized American ingenuity and automotive excellence. The AMC Javelin and AMX became icons of American pride, celebrated for their performance, style, and racing achievements. They demonstrated that American cars could be both powerful and agile, challenging the dominance of larger manufacturers in the muscle car arena. Their legacy continues to inspire admiration among car enthusiasts, reflecting a time when AMC pushed boundaries and left an indelible mark on the history of American automotive culture. The 1970 Javelin Trans Am racing success. In 1970, the AMC Javelin had a major victory in the Trans Am races, a moment that highlighted its prowess in competitive racing. Built specifically for the track, it featured powerful engines and aerodynamic designs that enhanced its performance. This achievement demonstrated AMC's ability to create high-performance cars capable of excelling in demanding racing conditions. The Javelin's success in the Trans Am series not only showcased its speed and agility, but also solidified its reputation as a formidable competitor among muscle cars. AMC's commitment to engineering vehicles that could race competitively underscored its significance in the automotive industry, proving that smaller manufacturers could compete and succeed alongside larger, more established brands. Collector's dream: restoring the Javelin and AMX. Today, the AMC Javelin and AMX are cherished by collectors of classic cars. Many enthusiasts invest time and money restoring these vehicles to their original glory. It's not just about repairing cars, it's about preserving a piece of automotive history and showcasing AMC's engineering prowess. People enjoy restoring these cars because they demonstrate the speed and style of American automobiles. Restoring an AMC Javelin or AMX involves repairing old parts, repainting, and sometimes even rebuilding engines to make them run smoothly again. This process requires dedication and a love for vintage cars. Once restored, these vehicles become a testament to AMC's legacy in the automotive world and a source of pride for their owners. They stand out at car shows and gatherings where collectors and enthusiasts gather to admire their design and performance. By keeping these cars on the road, collectors ensure that future generations can appreciate and learn about the innovation and craftsmanship that went into AMC's iconic muscle cars like the Javelin and AMX. Reflecting on the AMC legacy looking back, the AMC Javelin and AMX show how cars can be more than just things to drive. They can show power, style, and American ideas. Their strong engines, cool looks, and how well they raced are still loved by fans of fast cars. Whether it's how fast they were on the track or how cool they looked on the road, the Javelin and AMX are still great cars today. In conclusion, the AMC Javelin and AMX are symbols of American ideas about cars and how they can show power and style. From their strong engines to their cool designs, these cars show how fun cars can be. People still love these cars because they show how good American cars are. As we remember these cars, the Javelin and AMX remind us of how cars can show American ideas about speed, style, and making cool things.
Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.